Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video I'm walking you around a BMW M140i that we've upgraded with an Audison Prima speaker upgrade. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So the customer came into us looking for basically solve an issue. So the customer emailed over originally and to kind of describe what their issues they were facing with the vehicle. Firstly, it was actual volume and clarity. When you're on a phone call, couldn't really hear sort of a lot of it. It was kind of sounding a little bit muffled, but also when listening to music, again, it sounded very muffled, very low in the vehicle. That's because the vehicle came in with the bass system from BMW. So there's lots of different specs of systems from BMW. You've got the bass, you've got top hi-fi, you've got lots of different options, otherwise mostly known as Harmon Kardon or non-Harmon Kardon. Basically, Harmon Kardon upgrade is basically a couple more speakers, but also an amplifier running the setup. In essence, this car doesn't have an amplifier and it didn't have the factory tweeters in a stock location. However, that's all changed. Basically what we've done is remove the actual housing that was a blanking plate as such. Actually remove that. We've ordered in from BMW directly the Harmon Kardon grille. Basically what that entails is basically a Harmon Kardon look. So it looks now like the car has Harmon Kardon. That's in a stock location. That's actually a full piece that follows right around the window. And then what that does, we've actually upgraded the actual speakers themselves using the Audison Prima range. The Audison Prima range is a specifically designed speaker range designed for the BMWs. So they perform incredibly well, and these are actually running directly from the head unit. We're going to be doing this car in stages, so potentially customer might be coming back to us for adding rear speakers and also adding an amplifier to drive these speakers as well. So these speakers can run off a factory radio without the amplification. However, in an ideal world, we always want to be amping it. However, what the customer's also gone in and done is actually upgraded the soundproofing stage inside the door as well. We configure every system to suit a customer's budget, but also to tailor something directly to you. In terms of what we've done indoor, we've not gone for full coverage on this door on this occasion. However, if you're looking to upgrade your vehicle, you can do, and that is our ideal solution. However, we've used 8 sheets of soundproofing in total, so 4 per door. Basically what we've done is covered majority of the areas inside the door, getting rid of that resonation that you get from factory door cars, but also getting rid of some of that road noise, but also building a better environment for the new sound system to work in. That's all been acoustically treated in the door. Speakers are a plug and play solution, so it retains the factory connector. Then we've run our new tweeter up into now behind the Harmon Kardon grille. So overall, there is a bit of a cosmetic change, but it is a very stock look. Obviously, it looks now like the vehicle's got Harmon Kardon, and we've got the tweeters sat higher up. The advantage of basically doing that is meaning that basically that sound stage is brought up in the vehicle rather than from those 4 inches in the doors. That you can do a stock location as a coaxial version. However, moving those tweeters up separates that sound in the vehicle, but also for your ears sonically, it's a lot easier to hear the higher frequencies, a lot of the voice when you're on hands-free, but also getting a really nice overall sound stage in the vehicle. So that's been moved up in the vehicle, which makes a massive difference. The customer's going to be collecting their car very shortly, and I'm sure they're going to be over the moon with the finished product that we've done and upgraded the car with. So thank you very much for watching. If you are new to our channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. But also if you're interested in something like this, make sure you just get in touch with us, any of our social media platforms like this customer did, and we can get your upgrade sorted. If you want to come by and see us, book an audio consultation and I'll go through everything step by step, design, spec, and then install your new system. So thank you very much guys for watching. We'll see you soon.